I deserve a job after graduation because I earned it.
I deserve a job because I pay a lot of money to go to college.
I am entitled to a job because I've worked hard and gone to school.
Do you deserve a job after you graduate?
Absolutely. I deserve it. I'm in grad school now.
An employer owes me a good job, decent benefits so that I can live, and health insurance.
A little over $25 an hour.
$30,000 to $40,000 a year.
At least 40,000.
Oh, at least 60,000.
70 to 80,000 a year.
Like 100 grand, yeah.
I deserve 7 figures per year.
At the Roxy Boy.
I am an employer.
I am an employer.
I am an employer, and I have jobs.
Good jobs. Good jobs. And I'm hiring. But if you want to work for me, you need to know how I really feel.
You see, I am entitled.
I am entitled.
I am entitled.
I am entitled to you arriving here to the job on time.
Every day until the very last minute of your shift.
And if you're scheduled at 9
and arrive at 9,
you're late.
I am entitled to you being positive and enthusiastic as you approach the task you are assigned.
Regardless of what they are.
Or anything that may have happened to you before you came to work.
I get it. I have no right to say how you dress, communicate, or act on your own time.
However, while you're at work, I'm entitled to you being a professional.
And acting and speaking like one.
Showing up dressed and groomed in a way that best represents this organization.
And the image that we need to project to our clients and to the world.
I'm entitled to you doing the work you are paid to do to the very best of your ability. And then some.
The only way this business is going to grow
and provide opportunity for you to grow with it
is if you're continually looking for ways to excel,
achieve,
solve problems,
and add value whenever and wherever you can.
I'm entitled to your respect for my rules, whether or not you agree with them.
I want you to enjoy working here and like your managers.
But that's not a condition of your willingness to follow company policies.
I am entitled to the truth.
And yes, I can handle the truth.
So if you're not ill, please don't call in sick.
If you handle money or merchandise, every cent must be accounted for.
If you lie, cheat, steal, fudge,
or hook a buddy up,
even once,
the trust I need to have in you will forever be in question.
But it's our customers who are even more entitled.
They're the ones who pay our wages and keep this business running.
That entitles them to fast, friendly, and courteous service
from everyone in this organization.
So you need to go out of your way to show them how much we appreciate their business.
So if you agree to this list of entitlements, then you're not only entitled to a paycheck.
You're entitled to me living up to these same high standards.
But hey, if you feel like we're asking for too much,
then you're entitled to look for another employer that will not ask these things of you.
But the odds of you finding one aren't good.